warning signs I see most in my patients over 55. 1. Swollen ankles or feet. If your ankles look puffier by the end of the day, that's fluid your kidneys failed to remove. 2. Foamy or bubbly urine. This usually means you're leaking protein, a red flag for kidney damage. 3. Waking up tired after a full night's sleep. If you're still exhausted even after 7 to 8 hours, your kidneys might not be filtering waste, so toxins remain in your blood. 4. Metallic taste in your mouth. Toxins can change the taste of food, cause bad breath, and even make meat taste bitter. 5. Lower back pain on one side. Pain near the bottom of your rib cage, especially if it feels deep and dull, could be kidney stress, not just muscle ache. 6. Itchy, dry skin. The kidneys also balance minerals. When they're off, your skin gets dry, irritated, and itchy. 7. Frequent night urination. Needing to pee multiple times after midnight? That's not just age. It could mean your kidneys are struggling with their overnight job. If you checked even 2 of these, don't panic, but do pay attention. Your body's been whispering, and it's time we give it the support it needs. Up next, I'll share the 5 kidney-supporting foods that help flush toxins, support blood flow, and take pressure off your filtration system naturally. So now you know the signs. Let's talk solutions. Because I've seen these 5 powerful foods turn lives around and lighten the load on aging kidneys. These are what I call nature's dialysis. They're safe, simple, and many are probably already in your kitchen. 1. Dandelion greens. Yes, the same weed in your backyard. Dandelion greens are rich in potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. But more importantly, they act as a natural diuretic, helping your kidneys flush out excess fluid and toxins. Add them to a salad or blend into a smoothie. 2. Cucumber. This cooling vegetable is made of over 90% water. But it's not just hydration. Cucumbers contain silica, which helps reduce uric acid in the kidneys. I recommend slicing them into water or snacking on them raw every afternoon. 3. Garlic. Single quote. Garlic helps lower inflammation and improve circulation to the kidneys. It also reduces the workload on your kidneys by helping balance blood pressure and cholesterol. 2 major stressors on kidney health. Use it fresh. Crush it and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to unlock its healing compounds. 4. Blueberries. These little berries pack a powerful punch. Rich in antioxidants, they protect kidney tissues from oxidative stress and even help fight urinary tract infections, which can lead to kidney infections if left untreated. The half cup daily can go a long way. 5. Cranberry. Unsweetened. This is different from cranberry juice loaded with sugar. Unsweetened cranberry supports the bladder and urinary tract, keeping bacteria from sticking to the walls and spreading to your kidneys. Try it as a tea or dilute it with water for a tart, healing drink. These aren't exotic or expensive. They're gifts from nature, available at most grocery stores. I've seen patients add these to their daily meals and reverse early kidney distress, avoid dialysis, and regain their energy. But you have to start now. If you found this video helpful, I want you to do 3 things. Like this video so more people can discover natural ways to protect their kidneys. Subscribe to this channel, because every week I bring you doctor-backed tips for aging with strength, clarity, and vitality. And in the comments, tell me, which of these foods will you add to your plate today? Let's help each other heal the natural way. Now that you know the 5 natural foods that act like dialysis, let me show you how to build a simple daily routine around them. Because it's not just about what you eat, it's about when and how you eat it. Morning routine. Wake up your kidneys gently. Hydration is key. Start your morning with a glass of warm water. Squeeze in half a lemon. This hydrates your kidneys and flushes out overnight waste. Breakfast idea. Add a handful of blueberries to plain oats. We'll get antioxidant protection and slow digesting fiber that won't spike blood sugar. Kidney salad bowl idea. Make a salad with dandelion greens, cucumber slices, and a lemon olive oil dressing. Add a small portion of grilled fish or lean protein, and sprinkle crushed garlic on top for extra anti-inflammatory power. Afternoon support. Tea time. Sip the sugary drinks. Instead, brew a cup of unsweetened cranberry tea. It supports the urinary tract and helps keep kidneys infection-free, and especially important for seniors prone to dehydration. Evening wind down. Nighttime nutrient lock-in. Dinner tip. Eat light. Your kidneys slow down at night. A bowl of steamed veggies, like zucchini or spinach, with a slice of sweet potato and a garlic herb olive oil drizzle is perfect. Before bed, end your day like you started, with a warm glass of lemon water. This helps your kidneys continue detoxing gently while you sleep. Bonus tip: what to avoid. Just as important as what to eat is what to cut out. Avoid high-sodium processed foods. Limit animal protein at night. Ditch the sugary drinks. They stress the kidney silently. You don't need a cabinet full of pills. You need a plate full of healing. If you build this simple routine, even just 3 days a week, you're giving your kidneys a fighting chance. If you've made it this far, that tells me you care deeply about your health and your future. So here's my challenge to you. Just 7 days. 7 days to reboot your kidneys naturally, and I'll walk you through it, step by step. What is the Kidney Reboot Challenge? It's a simple plan using the foods we talked about. You don't need anything fancy. You don't need to be perfect. You just need 7 days of focus. Here's what to do. Daily guidelines for 7 days. Start each day with warm lemon water. Eat at least 2 kidney-supporting foods daily, like garlic, berries, or dandelion. Drink cranberry tea or nettle tea in the afternoon. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and red meats. Finish your day with light dinners and hydration. Do gentle stretching or walking. Movement helps circulation and detox. Sleep 7 or more hours to allow the kidneys to heal and filter properly. What you'll likely feel by day 3. Many patients report less bloating, clearer urine, better energy in the morning, and even improved sleep. Why? Because your kidneys aren't fighting toxins alone anymore. You're helping them, nourishing them. Marjorie, 68 years old, says, your kidneys don't scream when they're in trouble. They whisper with fatigue, with fog, with swelling, with strange smells. Don't wait for a crisis. Take this 7-day challenge and give them the care they deserve. If you're ready to feel the difference, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel for more real health answers, especially if you're over 55 and want to feel young, strong, and confident again. And leave a comment below. Just type "I'm in for 7 days." I'll be in the comments cheering you on.